Western Marine Shipyard Limited engages in shipbuilding and repairing activities in Bangladesh. The principal activities of the company are to establish, build, erect, construct shipyard, dockyard, slipway, workshop on its own land, purchase or otherwise undertake ownership or management of shipyard, dockyard, slipway, workshop in order to carry on the business of shipbuilding and repairing. These ships were made by Western Marine Shipyard Limited previously. Let's have a look. Nice, beautiful ships. From the very inception, the company was engaged in the activities of shipbuilding, repairing, and heavy engineering. Thereafter, management took decision to continue engaged as export-oriented shipbuilding industry and accordingly got permission and registration from Board of Investment as export-oriented industry. Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome back to my channel MRF Tayar. To this company Western Marine Shipyard Limited, ticker Wmshipyard. The sector, engineering sector, industry, capital goods, financial modeling and valuation, fundamental analysis. Let's start. Income statement analysis. Turnover was 298 crore BDT in the year 2017, later 302, 313, 228 in COVID time, 84 crore, declined, 81 crore, and last year 2023, 81 crore BDT. Revenue growth rate was 6% in 2017, later 2, 3, minus 27, minus 63, minus 4, and 0.4% in 2023. Gross profit margin was 35% in 2023, operating profit margin 34%, and net income was negative 1.5 crore in 2023. Net profit margin minus 1.28%. Company's EPS was 2.14 in 2017, later 2.71, 2.81, 0.92, minus 0.04, minus 0.05, and minus 0.06 was EPS in 2023. Company's share price was 36.4 in 2017, later 30, 17, 11, 10.9, 11.9, and currently in 2023 was 11. Company paid no dividend for last 2 years and 1% in 2021. Company's debt equity ratio increasing and it's now 4.7 times of its equity. Let's forecast. I am forecasting with a positive note for this company. I'm expecting they will come back because Bangladesh Bank in 2022 January extends loan moratorium for shipbuilding industry, and they will get another 2-year moratorium to pay back bank loans because the coronavirus pandemic situation was the reason for business slowdown, and I hope this facility will give breathing space to shipbuilders. Finance Ministry and Bangladesh Bank are involved in this decision. Also, Association of Export-Oriented Shipbuilding Industries of Bangladesh urged for this. So, having all this background, and with this background, I am expecting 22% revenue growth rate in 2024, later 34%, 41, 37, and ultimately GDP growth rate 6%. And gross profit margin was given 35%, 40%, 40, and ultimately 42. Previously it was like this. And operating profit margin was given 35% to 40% in 2028. And with that, company's estimated APS for the upcoming years will be 0.31 minus 0.23, 0.61, 1.84 and 2.45 in 2028. Income statement and 5-year forecast of Western Marine Shipyard Limited. Balance sheet. Total asset was 1625 crore in 2017 and currently it is 2569 crore. Current asset 1110, plant property 1392. Okay, long term debt 2000 plus crore and short term debt 76 crore. So total debt 2087 crore. Capex was done. Big capex was done in 2023. And the company's NAV was 34 in 2017 and currently it is 18.9. I'm expecting NAV will increase to 23.9 level in 2028 gradually. Cash flow. Cash flows are like this. Positive. NOCFPS was 0.8. Now let's check some ratios. Current ratio 10.1. Quick 5.67. ROA ROE negative in 2023 and ROC 1.4%. ROA ROE was previous to COVID time was 986 level. P ratio was 17, 11, 6, 12 and negative in 2021 and remained so. Price to book 0.6 times. Okay. Vertical analysis. If the company's sales is 100 taka, cost of goods sold 65, gross profit 35, operating 34, bottom line minus 2. It was 11, 15, 18, 9 level previously, minus 1, minus 2 level in previously also. I'm expecting it will be 7, minus 4, 9, 17 and 21 for the upcoming years. Vertical analysis of Western Marine Shipyard. Capex schedule like this. Debt schedule like this. And projection. Working capital schedule and cash conversion cycle. Weighted average cost of capital. As per my calculation, weighted average cost of capital is 8.8%. Company's equity 18%, debt 82%, market cap 294 crore BDT, free float 70%, and promoters are holding 30%. Beta for last 2 years was 0.32, and with that 8.8% WACC and terminal growth rate given 1%. Free cash flow to firm estimates are like this. Company's intrinsic value via DCF approach is 20.1. Based on all this, and latest price 12.5, for price 11, is telling me I can think of investing. And sensitivity table given here. Important 3 numbers. Some more DCF via CFO regression forecasting, valuing negative, dividend discount model. I'm expecting 8% dividend in 2028, and these are in between dividends. 7.7 telling me not to buy. Relative valuation P, latest annualized EPS, latest APS 0.06 negative, and fair price is negative, telling me not to buy. According to price to book, relative valuation, implied share price is 28, telling me I can buy. EV by EBITDA valuing negative and EV by sales valuing pricing negative. Benisham score, forensic accounting checking, 5 and net variable model. The last 2 years was not manipulated. Green and COVID time was different, could be ignored. So in 2021, company was facing difficulties. Red category in 2020 and 21 currently green. Company Pietros Cave score, company is an average company. Altman Z score, bankruptcy checking, company is in distress zone as per original formula and as per on USC emerging market company's formula, company is still in safe zone. Football field, current price 12.5 shown in the red dotted line, and all the other valuation and positive pricing figures are given here. So this concludes the financial modeling and valuation practice with Western Marine Shipyard Limited. Hope we have gathered some insight about the company. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing. Ta-da!